Hello and welcome to another MCO update on XRP. We're still waiting to see if the bulls can pull off here this third wave rally to the upside. It's quite low confidence though, because it's quite a small move up from the 5th of June low, micro 5-wave move up, after the market might have bottomed there on the 5th of June. But that's just a micro. Bigger picture still unchanged. We do have still this 5-wave move up from the April low. It's still likely that XRP bottomed there in a fourth wave actually on the 7th of April and formed a diagonal pattern from that low to the upside, in 5 waves. And then a corrective pullback afterwards labeled A, B, C. And this C wave tapped basically the 50% retracement level here. So we've got this area between the 50% and the 78.6 retracement. It's a support area that is usually standard support for a wave 2. And we reached it. And it's a 3-wave move down. And in contrast to many other altcoins I'm tracking as well, the June low is still holding. So we're still holding that June low for now. But obviously it's quite low confidence because a lot of other cryptos broke their June low. XRP is holding up a little better. But at this point, the problem is the rally here from the last swing low on Friday is not particularly impulsive. So to really keep this as an additional 1-2 setup and to keep this additional 1-2 setup alive, the bulls really need to turn up now, take the price higher impulsively, and we need to take the price above first real resistance, and that is the top of this wave 1 in yellow, smaller degree after the larger degree wave 2 bottomed on the 5th of June. We saw a micro 5-wave advance, really tiny. And this level or this structure topped at around $2.33. So it would take a break above $2.33 as an early indication that the low is in. Then we have additional levels to watch there at $2.36. And here, I need to adjust it slightly, at $2.48. These are just the next resistance levels. Overall, the correction still seems to be unfolding. We have to be prepared for another low. But again, XRP is holding up quite well compared to some other coins that already broke below the June low. Now, if we break below the June low, and that's, by the way, at around $2.06, then $1.94 and $1.83 are going to be the next support levels. I wouldn't be surprised if that happens. However, I'm watching here for reaction. It's quite interesting at the moment to see what the chart is developing here. If we start to see now some upside momentum volume come in, then this could indicate the start of a third wave. Now, where could that third wave take us? Now, I already talked about the resistances and the levels that need to be taken out, but really for a first ideal target, we would want the third wave to reach at least $2.47. That's the 138% extension. Fourth wave pullback should then ideally hold above $2.36. And the fifth wave should take us to $2.54 as a minimum, ideally even a little higher. So as long as we are holding the June low, the yellow count here is valid. Below the June low, $1.79 becomes critical support because that's the 78.6 retrace level of the rally between the 7th of April and the 12th of May. And as you know, that's not an invalidation point, but it is the level that, if broken, will reduce the likelihood of a bullish upside reversal. So we have this larger pattern, and then the smaller pattern is just super fragile and is just on a very small wave degree, but at the moment is still holding as a potential upside reversal pattern as well, just on a micro level. That's the update on XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.